Want to sell your home fast, like under 10 days? We've done it for thousands of homeowners, and I'm about to show you how. So stick around for some quick, actionable tips. So what's my experience working with homeowners who have strict timelines? That's a fair question. I was always taught never get advice from someone who hasn't done what you're trying to do. Well, I can't tell you how often we've worked with people who needed to sell fast, like yesterday. For example, we work with clients who are relocating for work or facing foreclosure. In those situations, every single day matters. Because we make all cash offers, there's no waiting around for lending approvals or worrying about deals falling through. In fact, a study by the National Association of Realtors found that 24% of home sales are delayed due to financing issues. So you want to make sure whoever buys your house has that cash lined up. With us, you skip through all that and you can close on your schedule, often in as little as 7 to 10 days. Do you need to spend thousands of dollars on renovations to sell quickly? This is a question we often get. The answer is nope. That's the beauty of it. You don't have to sink a ton of money into renovations. Instead, focus on making your home presentable. Here's what you can do. 1, deep clean and declutter. First impressions really matter, and the clean home can work wonders. 2, add simple curb appeal touches. Mow the lawn, add some fresh mulch, easy stuff like that. And 3, professional photos. This is huge. Did you know that homes with professional photos sell 32% faster? 32%. Let that sink in. That's according to Redfin. And it's worth the investment because great photos attract buyers. A lot of buyers are shopping online and they only want to go look at properties that look awesome online. They want to visualize themselves living in that property. So you don't want to go cheap and save a couple of $100 on professional photos and end up selling your house for a lot less money. So keep it simple but effective. Let's talk about pricing. How important is it to get the price right from the start? This is huge. Pricing your home correctly is the #1 way to sell your house quickly. If you overprice, your house could sit on the market for weeks or even months. Zillow found that houses priced right from day one are 50% more likely to sell quickly. 50%. Most people don't realize that if you actually price your house a little less than the competition, you will most likely end up selling your house for more than if you had priced it higher. You will often attract multiple offers and create a bidding war. Remember, if you price it right, you're setting yourself up for a fast and smooth sale. Finally, why would someone want to sell for cash instead of listing the home the traditional way? Honestly, selling for cash can be a lifesaver, especially if you're in a hurry. Here's why. First, no waiting for mortgage approvals. With a cash sale, you don't have to worry about the buyer's financing falling through, which can happen often in a traditional sale, and it can happen at the last minute. Next, you get to sell as is. You don't need to stress about costly repairs or staging. We buy homes in any condition. Lastly, fast closing. Traditional sales can take 50 to 70 days according to Zillow, but with a cash buyer like us, you can close in as little as 10 days. That's a huge difference when time is a priority. If you're feeling the pressure to sell your home fast and want a straightforward, hassle-free option, click on the link in the description to see how House Buyers of America can help. Let's get your home sold quickly so you can move on to what's next.